From your admin dashboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Settings. Scroll down to locate and click on Android Apps. This section allows you to configure preferences to your mobile application. Now choose the app you want to configure. For this example, we'll proceed with the customer ordering app. Enter your desired app name here. This is the name that will appear on the user's device once installed. Ensure your app name follows the recommended naming guidelines. Avoid using emojis, special characters, underscores, all uppercase text, or long descriptive names. Instead, use a simple, brand-friendly format like Trendywear or Urban Mart. After entering the app name, manually enter the Android package name in the correct format. The recommended structure is com.brandname.customerapp. Make sure you use only lowercase letters, avoid spaces, numbers at the start, or any special characters. Follow the application ID guidelines strictly. The format should always be com.brandname.appname. Avoid using uppercase letters, special characters, hyphens, spaces, or segments that begin with numbers. Next, upload your app logo by clicking the logo field. Make sure the logo is of high quality, with dimensions exactly 1024 by 1024 pixels and under 2 MB in size. This is the recommended logo canvas. Ensure the logo fits proportionally within this 1024 by 1024 pixel square to avoid cropping or visual misalignment. When submitting a text-based logo, it's important to ensure proper sizing and alignment within the safe zone. The first logo is too large and extends beyond the gray reference circle. This may result in cropping and misalignment. The second logo is too small and does not effectively utilize the available space, making it less legible. The third logo maintains the correct scale and positioning. It is well-centered and fits neatly within the safe zone, making it ideal for submission. Please ensure that the gray circle is used for reference only and need to be removed while exporting the logo. Here, the logos are shown on a solid color background. Continue to follow the same safe zone alignment principles. This screen displays logos placed over a gradient background. It also applies the same guidelines as explained for the text-based logo. This screen displays logos placed over a white background. It also applies the same guidelines as explained for the text-based logo. This screen presents correctly formatted logos across different background types: gradient, solid, and white. All three logos are centered, proportionate, and fully enclosed within the safe zone, ensuring they meet the platform's visual guidelines. Please remember, the gray circle is for positioning reference only and must be removed before uploading the final logo file. Upload your notification icon here. This icon appears in push notifications sent to customers. Ensure the image is 100 pixels by 100 pixels, under 2 MB, and has a transparent background. The notification icon must follow exact sizing, 100 by 100 pixels. This ensures consistent display across all Android devices. Both solid and outlined icons are acceptable, as long as they are optimized for visibility and framed within the correct dimensions. Do not use 3D icons or app-style badges for notifications. Instead, opt for a clean, minimal icon with a transparent background. Make sure the icon is not embedded in a rounded square or gradient background. It should remain isolated, minimal, and professional. Now, we need to create a Firebase project in order to generate the required URL. To do that, open your browser and search for Firebase in Google. From the search results, click the official Firebase website link. Once the homepage loads, click the Go to Console button at the top right corner. You will now be taken to the Firebase dashboard. Click Get Started to begin creating your Firebase project. Enter a name for your project. This name helps you identify the project later. Then click Continue. Now click on Continue to move forward with the Gemini configuration. You can leave it enabled as it's optional. Enable Google Analytics for this project to gather detailed app usage insights, then click on Continue. Select your default account for Firebase Analytics, then click on Create Project to finalize your setup. Firebase will take a few seconds to initialize your project. Once it's ready, you will see a confirmation screen. Once you're inside, copy the project URL from the browser's address bar. This URL will be required during mobile app configuration. Paste the copied Firebase project URL into a notepad and keep it ready. You will be using this shortly in the Zepio admin panel. In Firebase console, under the project overview, click the gear icon and select Users and Permissions. In the Users and Permissions tab, click on Add Member to grant access. Enter the email address mailtozepio@gmail.com. Select Editor as the role from the dropdown and click Add Member. You'll now see that the Zepio team has been added with editor access. This step is important for building and pushing your app. Paste your Firebase project URL, which was noted in Notepad. Once everything is filled out, double-check all the app name and application ID is followed as per guidelines. Check app icon and notification icon too. Click on Submit App to request the build. Next up, ensure all details are correct before proceeding and then click Submit for build. Once your request is submitted, our team will begin setting up Firebase for push notifications and start building your Android app. This process typically takes between 8 to 24 hours to complete. As soon as your app is ready, you'll receive an email with the download link, or you can simply return to this page to download your apps.